Look, I grew up in San Diego in the 80s, and I know all about the canyons in California. Back then, they had ice plant everywhere, and they also did controlled burns. Yes, folks, that was the thing back in the 80s and even before then. And then environmentalists, the environmental lobby is big. It's powerful. And that took over, and we've been saving the planet, if you will, ever since. Especially a fish called the Delta smelt. Yeah, it's as crazy as it sounds, folks. California has been diverting water into the ocean. Hundreds of billions of gallons a year to protect the Delta smelt. A little bait fish. Putting fish over the safety of people and the protecting of properties is asinine to me.
This is the Today with Tally podcast.